Obsidian plus Claude Code, how to build an AI-powered life system. Imagine having a personal assistant who can read every note you've ever taken, organize your projects while you sleep, and create daily summaries without being asked twice. That's what happens when you combine Obsidian, a powerful local-first notes app, with Claude Code, an AI agent that can read and write files directly on your computer. Let's start with the basics. Obsidian is a supercharged notebook that stores everything as simple text files on your machine. No cloud required. Your notes link to each other using double bracket syntax, creating a visual knowledge graph that mirrors how your brain works. With over 2,000 community plugins, it's infinitely customizable. Claude Code is different from regular AI chatbots. It runs directly on your computer in a terminal window. It can read your files, write new ones, edit existing ones, and remember your preferences through a special file called claude.md. Think of it this way. Regular Claude is like texting a smart friend. Claude Code is like hiring that friend as your personal assistant who sits in your office and can access your filing cabinet. The magic of combining them is simple. Obsidian stores your knowledge as plain text files, and Claude Code can manipulate plain text files. Your Notes app becomes intelligent. The concept of a second brain has been popular for years, but there's always been a problem. The second brain was dumb. You had to do all the organizing, connecting, and retrieving yourself. With Claude Code living inside your vault, your second brain actually thinks. Setting up the system takes about 30 minutes. Install Obsidian, install Claude Code via NPM, download the official Obsidian agent skills from GitHub, install the terminal plugin, and create your claude.md file. That's it. Claude Code now runs inside your Obsidian vault and can see all your notes. The daily workflows are where this shines. In the morning, say "Start my day," and Claude creates today's note with carried over tasks and upcoming meetings. Throughout the day, quick natural language commands like "Had a catch-up with Stefan about the Q1 roadmap" create fully formatted, tagged, and linked meeting notes in seconds. At night, "Wrap up my day" generates a summary and carries unfinished tasks forward. Classic knowledge management methods like Para and Zettelkasten get dramatically better with AI. The hardest part of these systems was always maintaining them, deciding where notes go, creating links, keeping things current. Claude Code removes that cognitive overhead entirely. Real-world use cases include project tracking with auto-generated progress summaries, journaling where 3-second logging replaces 2-minute formatting, research integration with automatic categorization, habit tracking, and even a personal CRM for keeping track of everyone you interact with. Now, the honest truth about privacy. Obsidian's promise is local first. Your notes stay on your machine. Claude Code partially breaks that promise. When you process notes, their content is sent to Anthropic servers. You can mitigate this with a Claude file for sensitive content, but it's a real trade-off you should understand. Compared to alternatives like Notion AI, Google Notebook LM, or Logseek, Obsidian plus Claude Code wins on flexibility and ownership. Your notes are portable markdown files forever. You can swap Claude for any other AI agent. Your skills transfer. The trade-off is more initial setup, but once configured, it's more powerful and more future-proof. To get started today, install Obsidian, install Claude Code, ask it to create your folder structure and claude.md file, and start with just daily notes. Don't over-engineer. Let the system evolve. Every correction you make teaches Claude something it will never forget. The full guide with setup instructions, workflow examples, comparison tables, and 15 references is available at thinksmart.life. Your second brain is waiting to wake up.